Welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing for a new subscription service. This is actually a subscription service that I had discovered through Instagram. Oh, there's a little fuzzy right there. I actually got quite a few comments from you guys in a couple of my last subscription boxes if I had heard about this and what my thoughts were. So I figured that I did receive the box, so I figured why don't we go ahead, check it out, see what it's about, and see if it's worth it or not. So the subscription service is $24 a month, and you are to receive 5 to 7 full-size beauty products. Each box is a minimum value of $100. And then if you follow their social media, sneak peeks are listed and you can email or message your color preferences. I don't know if that's just a new thing, and once they get bigger and bigger, if they'll continue to do that, because that is really detailed work. I mean, if they're going to keep on doing it, that is great. So I was a little surprised that they do that. So they had asked me my color preference and I gave them, I just said I like either nudes or mauves. I do like the way that this is delivered. I think it's really cute. Mine came through USPS and then it just shipped like that, but I do like it. It isn't damaged or anything. I think it's a really cute touch to it. So the very first thing I have is this here. This is by Steve Laurent. This here is a Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. That's a really pretty color. So this here is in the shade Mocha. Please ignore the nails because our basement was basically saturated and flooded. Like our entire carpeting and everything is flooded. Everything in my room is empty, so if it sounds a little bit echoey, that's why. My makeup drawers are in the safer part of the basement. It seeped into my makeup drawers, and so I'm really scared that I'm gonna have to get all new Alexa drawers because they're really wobbly. Okay, let's move on. So the next thing I have is called the Fix It Clean Liner by Kaylin. That's really cool. Would you use this probably to fix your eyeliner? I don't have any eyeliner on now, but I need to check this out. Give me a second. Let me see what this is, because this is interesting. So it's a transform your favorite loose or pressed glitter eyeshadow into a vibrant, electrifying eyeliner. It's very different. I've never seen anything like that. So it does come with a card, which I did not see. This is what the card looks like, and then she actually put what it retails for. So the Steve Laurent liquid lipstick retails for $22. Gel liner retails for $10. And then this here is a Kaylin Cosmetics Contour a Duo brush, and this retails for $24. And then I believe this is the contour palette that she's talking about that's in here, which retails for $52. That's really expensive. So you've got a primer here, which I thought was really interesting. I've actually never seen that. Then you've got some contour shades, some highlight shades, and then you've got the finish, which is a powder finish. So the last thing I have is the Belle Pierre Cosmetics Get the Look Eye Kit, which is quite a few things inside this eye kit. Like, look at that. Like, there's just a bunch of stuff in here. So this also is bubble wrapped on its own, and this retails for $50. So you're gonna get this card, and it's basically the Everyday Shimmer Kit is the one that I got. It's gonna come with 2 brushes. So this here is the eyeliner brush, and then you get like a short shader brush. And then you're gonna get these 4 little products. Now, 3 of them are loose powders, and then one of them, which has a different coating than the other ones, is the eyelid primer. So let's try the eyelid primer, or it's a makeup base, but I believe it's an eyeshadow primer. Just touching it, I feel like it's a little waxy. Like, you do get some nice color on here, so you could definitely cover up any sort of discoloration you have on your lids, but I feel like comparing it to other primer bases out there, I feel like it's very waxy, and I don't know how well it would sit underneath eyeshadows, but you never know. It might work actually really well for loose shadows. But then you have the Belle Pierre 3-piece kit. So the first one I have is called Earth. That's really pretty on top of that base. And then the next one we have is called Cocoa. So here is Cocoa, which reminds me so much of a eyeshadow I used to have from MAC. Oh, what's it called? Satin Taupe. I wore every day to work. Every day. All right, and then the last one I have, which looks like it would be a beautiful inner corner highlight. So this one is Earth, then you have Cocoa, and then you have Champagne, which is the last highlighter. That there is what comes inside the kit. So you get a total of 4 products and then 2 brushes. So that is everything inside the bag. And in total, I think everything retails a little bit over like $150, I think is what I counted it up to. Do I think that those products are worth $150? I definitely don't. I do think that some of these are really retailed pretty high, but You guys let me know down below what you guys think of this box. It does retail for $24 a month, and you would get it on a monthly basis. If you guys want to know more about it, let me know down in the comments below. But I got a lot of requests to actually talk about this brand and showcase it here on my channel. So if you guys know of any other subscription services that you guys would like me to try out, please let me know down below. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below if you guys are new to my channel. My name is Steph, and I do unboxings, tutorials, reviews, hauls, all that good stuff here on my channel, and I hope you guys will stay with me through for a while, I guess. And if you guys are already subscribed, I love you guys. I appreciate your love and support, and I will see you guys all in my next video. I will see you guys then. Bye.